learn how to ask question and how to give answer. Because without asking question and without giving answer, we cannot make our conversation longer. So if we want to improve our English, we should know that how to ask question and how to give answer. So अगर हम अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, फ्लुएंट बनाना चाहते हैं, तो हमें क्वेश्चन पूछना आना चाहिए और आंसर देना आना चाहिए. Hello everyone, I hope you are all good. So in this channel, welcome to my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please join my channel and subscribe and press the bell icon, जिससे कि आपको हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहेगी. So before watching video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So आज की वीडियो में हम सीखने जा रहे हैं कि how to ask question and how to give answer. So we should know that how to ask question and how to give answer. For making our conversation effectively and making conversation longer, so we should know that how to ask question and how to give answer. So there are two type question. So first is short question and second is long question. In short question, we use in starting helping verb like that, is, am, are, was, were and will and can, could, may. This type we use in starting. जैसे कि अगर क्या वाक्य के सबसे शुरू में आए तो उसे हम शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन कहते हैं. जैसे कि क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? In this we use is, am, are, was, were we use in starting. If there are two types, one is short, so we can say we can give answer in yes and no. So this is short question. But in long question, we cannot give answer in yes and no because we have to give long answer because we are asking long question. So short question we can give answer in yes and no, but in long we cannot say yes and no. So that in long question, what is that? Because in that, जैसे कि किसी वाक्य के बीच में क्या, क्यों, कब, कैसे, कहाँ, इस टाइप के शब्द आए तो उसे हम लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन कहते हैं. इनको बनाने से पहले सबसे पहले हम इनकी इंग्लिश लिखते हैं, उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब, फिर सब्जेक्ट और अदर. देखो एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. जैसे कि अगर वाई होता है तो कोई रीजन होती है. जैसे कि वाई आर यू लेट? तुम लेट क्यों हो? वाई आर यू लेट? तो देयर इज अ रीजन. वाई आर यू लेट? वी कैन नॉट से आंसर लाइक यस एंड नो. वी हैव टू गिव आंसर फुल लाइक दैट. आई एम लेट बिकॉज आई वेंट मार्केट. आई एम लेट बिकॉज आई वेंट मार्केट. क्योंकि मैं बाजार गया था इसलिए मैं लेट हूँ. सो वेयर वर यू yesterday? कल आप कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday? कल आप कहाँ थे? I was at my friend house. मैं अपने दोस्त के घर था. मैं अपने दोस्त के घर था. अगर yes और no वाले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन ऐसे होते हैं जैसे कि क्या वह यहाँ है? तो दिस इज अ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन. तो इसका आंसर कैसे देंगे? इसकी सबसे पहले क्या इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर होता है तो सबसे पहले उसको लगाते हैं हेल्पिंग वर्ब. तो एज, तो क्या आएगा? एज. तो उसके बाद क्या लगाते हैं? सब्जेक्ट. एज ही यहाँ मीन्स हेयर. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. वी विल यूज क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑल्सो. एंड सेकेंड इज लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. कैसे? जैसे कि इज ही हेयर? क्या वह यहाँ है? तो इसका आंसर हम यस और नो में दे सकते हैं. अगर हाँ है तो यस और ना है तो नो. सिंपल. अगर लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो हम कैसे पूछते हैं? जैसे कि वह वर और हेयर अदर्स। तो इस तरीके से लॉन्ग बनाते हैं, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से पूछते हैं। अगर हम पूछें जैसे कि वेयर आर यू गोइंग, आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, दिस इज अ लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन। और क्या तुम आ रहे हो, आर यू कमिंग, दिस इज अ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन। तो यस है तो यस लिखेंगे, नो है तो नो लिखेंगे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में। बट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन वी कैन नॉट यूज yes or no, we have to give full answer of that. So if that is कोई thing, so we use which जैसे कि तुम कैसे हो, how are you, first we use how are you, आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, where are you going, this is a long question, आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, I am going to my friend house, I am going to temple, I am going to, we can give answer of many types, not one type if there are many answer of one question. So you, in short question we cannot say that we can give answer in yes or no as well. So we should know that how to ask question, how to give answer, we should know each and everything. By that you can make our conversation longer and you can make our conversation effectively. We should know that how to ask question, how to give answer. So if we know that thing, we can make our conversation fluently, we can speak English fluently. So you should know how to ask question. Like I am giving some example like that. Why are you late? Where were you? आप कहाँ थे? Why are you late? आप लेट क्यों हो? Which place do you like? आपको कौन सी जगह पसंद है? Which area do you like? आपको कौन सा एरिया पसंद है? So you can ask this type question. How are you? आप कैसे हो? This is a simple question. Anyone can ask you. How are you? So I am fine. How are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I am doing nothing. So where are you going? I am not going anywhere. This is question. This is answer. You should know both. Answer, question, both you should know. If you are going anywhere, you can ask that. Where are you going? I am going somewhere. I am going my mother house, I am going my house, I am going to market, I am going to temple. Like this, there are many answers, many questions. You can ask anytime, any question. Short question, you should remember that. Short question we can give answer in yes and no, but in long question we cannot give answer in yes, no. Because this is a long question, we have to give answer long. In short we can give short, and long we can give long. So can you help me? Yes. If you cannot help, so you can say no, I cannot help you. You can make long, but you can reply in yes and no as well. So what are you doing there? I am not doing anything there. So when are you coming? I am coming today. When are you coming? This is a question. When are you coming? I am coming today. Why are you late? Oh, I am late because I went somewhere. So which place do you like? I like that any place. Which place do you like? You can say. So I am busy today. This is the answer. Oh, are you busy today? Yes, I am busy. Yes, you can say yes, and you can say no, you can say question answer also. Both are correct. If you say yes or no, this is also correct. If you say yes, I am busy, this is also correct. So if you like my video, please like, share if you are new, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, जिससे कि आपको हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे और ऐसे ही वीडियो आपको आगे ही मिलती रहे।